Welcome aboard another exciting episode of A Chain Train. In this week's show, we delve deep into the latest trends and shifts in the cryptocurrency space. From groundbreaking projects like Qubetics and JetBolt to rising platforms like DTX Exchange and innovative wallets such as Plus Wallet, we explore the developments that are reshaping the market. We'll also touch on regulatory updates like Texas's new crypto mining rules and look at how major players like Bitrue and Coinbase are expanding their global reach. Whether you're an investor, developer, or enthusiast, this episode has something for you. Let's get rolling. Qubetics is revolutionizing blockchain with its Web3 aggregator and Kubecode IDE, simplifying blockchain adoption for developers and businesses. Along with Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Avalanche, Polkadot, Chainlink, and Cosmos, these cryptos are gaining attention for their scalability, innovation, and long-term growth potential. Analysts predict significant returns, with Qubetics presale offering up to 52,912% ROI, making them ideal investments for 2024 and beyond. Markets are recovering, with utility-based tokens reaching new all-time highs, while meme coins struggle, particularly Pepe, which dropped 5% this week. Dogecoin is performing well, staying above 40 cents. DTX Exchange, pre-listed on CoinMarketCap, is gaining traction as it prepares for launch. With strong growth in its pre-sale stages, DTX offers a hybrid trading platform combining CEX and DEX features and access to over 120,000 financial instruments, making it a promising altcoin for investors. Cardano and Ripple continue to show strong potential, with ADA holding steady above $1 and XRP seeing 30% growth despite market consolidation. DTX Exchange has gone viral after raising $8.8 million in pre-sale round 5, with its token price up by 400%. DTX offers access to over 120,000 assets and a simple trading platform, attracting investors. The exchange is gaining attention for its CoinMarketCap listing and upcoming ETF, making it a promising project in the crypto space. Solana, Casper, XRP, and JetBolt are becoming top picks for crypto whales. Solana dominates DeFi with unmatched speed and low fees, while Casper's block tech and scalability attract attention. XRP, trading at $2.74, continues to soar with growing whale activity and new developments like the RLUSD stablecoin. JetBolt, with its zero gas technology and AI tools, is reshaping the market and gaining momentum, making it a promising new altcoin in the whale community. PumpFun offers a high-risk, high-reward platform for launching meme coins, attracting speculative investors with its ease of use, but also exposing them to volatility and potential rug pulls. In contrast, Dreamcar's crypto presale presents a more structured investment approach, offering discounted $DCARS tokens and access to a luxury car rental platform. Dreamcars allows fractional ownership of high-end cars, generating passive income, making it a stable and rewarding option for long-term investors seeking security and utility. Ethereum is showing strong momentum after ETF inflows, holding above $3,500, with analysts debating if it can reach $10,000. While ETH's recent growth is fueled by ETFs, a cooldown may occur as the RSI nears overbought levels. Meanwhile, JetBolt is gaining attention with its zero gas technology and AI-powered insights, selling over 100 million tokens in its pre-sale. Both Ethereum and JetBolt are driving excitement in the crypto world, with potential for major developments ahead. Texas has introduced new regulations requiring crypto miners on the ERCOT grid to register with the Texas Public Utilities Commission to manage power grid impact. Meanwhile, Plus Wallet stands out for its cross-chain functionality, security, and passive income opportunities, making it a top choice for traders. Coinbase Wallet is rolling out a tap-to-pay feature to simplify payments and plans to expand to 50 countries by 2025. Both wallets enhance user experience in the evolving crypto landscape. Bitrue has obtained a VASP license from Lithuania, enabling its expansion across the EU while ensuring compliance with financial regulations. Coinbase's Stand with Crypto campaign has launched in Australia to promote clear crypto regulations. Plus, Wallet leads the crypto wallet space with multi-chain functionality, Web3 integration, and strong security features. offering a user-friendly platform for managing digital assets. These developments highlight growing accessibility, security, and innovation in the crypto world. Thanks for tuning into this episode of the Chain Trainee. We hope you're now better equipped to navigate the fast-moving world of crypto, from the latest pre-sales to regulatory shifts. As always, stay ahead of the curve and be sure to subscribe for more insights on the blockchain revolution. Catch you next time and keep your train on the track.